Welcome to Daily New Drawings. Hello everyone! Welcome to the Daily New Drawings channel. In today's video, we are going to draw and color a rainbow computer. It's going to be fun. Let's go! At the beginning, I am going to draw a screen. Now let's draw a cute face for it. I am going to draw 2 cute eyes and a smiling mouth. Now I am going to draw a simple keyboard. And some buttons. And a mouse next to it. It's looking so cute. I love it. Now I am using this black marker to make it more visible and lovely. Good job! Now I am going to color it with this beautiful green color. With some orange and yellow. And outside of the keyboard with red. Color inside of the screen with pink. Superb! And mouth with red. For the mouse, I use little dark blue. And some purple and green. And rainbow color for keyboard. Purple and orange, yellow, red, pink, again pink, and blue on these 2. Green for both. And next one is light green. It's so cool! If you like this video, please like and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video!